In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free website on Silex. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking site built with a simple visual editor, no coding required. First, open your browser and head to v3.silex.me. Make sure you're on a reliable connection and using an up-to-date browser for the smoothest experience. On the home page, choose to sign up using your GitLab account or one of the other supported third-party options. The process is quick and secure, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From your dashboard, click Create Website. Give your site a clear, memorable name that reflects what it's about. Then choose a template. Think of templates as starting points. Pick one that matches your style and the type of content you plan to share. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You'll customize everything shortly. After your site is created, you'll be taken into the Silex visual editor. This is where the fun begins. The editor lets you drag, drop, and resize elements right on the page so you can see your design come to life as you build. Start by adding the core elements you need, like headers, text sections, and images. Click on text to edit it directly and tailor it to your message. Keep your paragraphs concise and your headings descriptive to guide visitors through the page. When uploading images, choose files that are clear and optimized for the web. Consistent image styles, such as using similar aspect ratios, help your pages feel polished. Use the styling options to adjust colors, spacing, and alignment. A simple rule of thumb is to pick a primary color and one or two accents and use them consistently across buttons, backgrounds, and headings. Next, refine your typography. Select readable fonts, set appropriate sizes for headings and body text, and maintain consistent line spacing. Pair a bold headline font with a clean body font to improve contrast and clarity. The editor allows you to tweak these settings quickly, so test a few combinations until the layout feels balanced. As you customize your design, keep usability in mind. Group related content, give elements enough breathing room, and make buttons easy to spot. When everything looks good and your content tells a clear story, you're ready to publish your site and share it with the world. That's it, your free website on Silex is up and running. If you found this helpful, follow along for more practical guides just like this one.